So hi everyone. Today we are going to install SSMS, that is a tool for using SQL queries. You can use SQL queries and connect to multiple databases and do data analytics over there. So we are going to install that. But before installing the tool, we need to provide the backend environment, and for doing that, we need to configure that our backend environment is ready. So we need to just go to the Google and search for SQL Server download. And here we have the official website of Microsoft where you can basically download the setup, right? So this is the setup. By the time, let me just run this setup. I'm going to tell you that this is the downloads that we are doing for specifically for Windows environment. Okay. And this is the Express, that is free edition of SQL Server. You can see this is ideal for development as well as for productions. I'm working on small server application. If you want to install your SSMS on any virtual machine of using Azure for using Azure, so you can do that by configuring this setup. Then if you want for Linux based, you can use this installation setup. And this Docker is for specifically MacBook users. Okay, so we'll come to our setup and we'll choose it as basic. And let's go to accept and try to install the configurations. It will take some time to install the packages. So once this will be done, I will continue the video because this is going to take some time because there are multiple packages, right? So it will take around 5 to 10 minutes to install the entire setup. So the installation has been completed now for SQL Server Express Edition. And now we need to install the tool that we are going to use, that is SSMS. Okay. So you can directly click on this and this will redirect you to the page. And here you can see it is coming. Re-download SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio. And the download will be started in a moment. Okay, let's open this over here and let's start the download. Fine. So let this download complete and then I will again resume the video. The file has been downloaded now. So we'll run the installation setup. Click on run and let the download start. Okay. So this is the file path, or if you want, you can just change file path and just click on install and allow it to yes. So this will again take about 10 to 15 minutes in order to install the entire SQL Server Management Studio setup. It will load all the packages, create the instance name, the local host servers, and all those things. So you can see it is downloading the database driver for SQL servers, the database providers, and all those things. Okay, so all our components has been installed, and now our backend environment, that is SQL Server, as well as the tool that we are going to use, that is Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, both has been installed. Okay, so now we'll close this as well, and this also we can close. Okay, now go to Windows and type SSMS. So this is what we are going to use in order to analyze all the data. Okay, so our SSMS and SQL Server has been installed now. See you in the next week.